Oh, hello.
Hey, Amina. How you going?
I'm very well, and you?
Amazing. The smell drew me in. So let's come see what's going
the
on.
marinade on that shawarma.
It smells
That
so
is
good.
absolutely divine, isn't it? Well, I've made you a little spin on the lamb shawarma. These are lamb shawarma tacos. You know, I think this is quite nice and sentimental for the Arabs because there's a little bit of a tie between tacos and shawarma.
Yeah.
Thanks to that big influx of immigration
Right.
of the Lebanese to the South American peninsula.
love that.
But I'm going to get you to dig in.
All right. I'm just going to dig in.
Dig in.
Okay.
Just do it. Take a big bite.
Okay, ready?
Go for it. That's the girl. That's how you eat.
Hello.
That lamb's good, isn't it?
It's really good.
And you know what? This was all whipped up in about 20 minutes. So, you know, for people like you and I who are time poor, this is fantastic.
This
If you
is
want
so
a
much
home-cooked
better.
meal. It is
So much better
great
than,
to do
like-
it at home.
The noodles that I make at home. You know?
Well, you know what we use, guys? It's the lamb shawarma by Fettayleh, exclusive to Woolworths.